I guess you're wondering how I got here. Well, let me tell you how it all started from the
What's
beginning.
going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Look at that Audi right there, guys. So as you can see, I'm painting the calipers. This actually matches this. It's actually more of a Lambo lime green. And one of the subscribers actually said that I should paint the calipers to make the rims pop more. So I'm painting the calipers, took the rims off, new wheels. Make sure you check out the video. I'm also going to change this logo right here to match the calipers, as well as the logo in the back right there. That should be easy. Just tape it off, X-Acto knife. But yeah, guys, as you can see, doing a pretty good job on the paint job. I took off the little black stem right there, so that way that'll still be black and it doesn't look like someone just painted. It look more of an OEM. And I'm using an engine R caliper paint that can take up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, I taped off the brake components too to keep it safe. So yeah, just decided to go ahead and do this, guys. Hopefully make the black pop a little bit more. Let me know, guys, know what you think. I also have some Lambo decals. I saw one bagged Audi with the Lambo stickers on. I just thought they looked cool, R8, and I also have some RS5 ones. So I'm gonna play around with that, so don't judge me. Got it on the other whip too. I'm just trying to make it look cool and stand out. So yeah, guys, this is the video. Let me show you the paint that I'm using. So as you can see, I cleaned it with alcohol first, getting all the grease and crud out. And the paint that I'm using is this one. See, guys, it's already popping. If you just kind of look at it, it's already popping. I use this right here. The caliper one can go up to 700 degrees. This one's up to 550. It won't crack like the other paints. Sometimes when you're painting your calipers and use the wrong kind of paint, it end up cracking. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think when I'm done. Peace. I don't know, guys. I would say that's a win. I mean, really no overspray. Let me put that top. I decided to just go ahead also, guys, while I'm at it, just for aesthetic look and just kind of seeing this down. This is just kind of the rotor area. It just was kind of like, this is going to be visual a little bit with the wheel. So just I wanted to kind of give it a nice little look right there. As you can see, it was pretty much look like that. That's going to be covered up. I'm not going to waste my time, but just kind of giving it that pizzazz, right? Yes. So, and look, this wheel hub is going to go right there anyway, that spacer. So pretty good to go. All right, guys, as you can see, I mean, that looks like a win. I mean, came out pretty good, as you guys can see. I even got the back corners over here, cover up the brake paddles. No overspray. Looking pretty good, guys. What do you think? Pretty legit. Kind of take a back look so you can kind of look at it. Yeah, guys. Looking good. So as you can see, here's the other side. I'm really proud of how it came out. Not zero overspray, guys. As you can see, I even got the insides, the corners, covered up the brakes. It looks OEM, right? So I'm gonna put a logo on that and we're gonna see how that works out. But I mean, wow. All right, guys, so this is going to be the logos that I'm going to put on the brake calipers. Bought these online. They have some little ones and some big ones. I got the Lamborghini ones as well. I'm going to first see how this looks on there to see if it looks good with the red on there. If it doesn't look good with the red, then I probably will go with the Lamborghini or not just using it at all. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, if I put the Lamborghini on there, don't look. I'm just cool like that, man. All right, thanks. Just to show you guys, these are the different sizes that they got. So it looks like they got some little ones, some big ones, and some mediums. So it's like, looks like it's 3 different sizes. Big, super big, medium, small. All right, cool. Also, I just thought of an idea. This looks like vinyl, right? So I'm thinking for my logo, if I spray paint this and peel off, and it's all yellow, and I peel this off, then I can probably put it over my logo. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see how on the wide body? All right, you see how right here, guys? See what I'm saying? I'm wondering if I can paint this so I can cover that up, because my concern was being able to paint this yellow and not have to do all that legwork. So we'll see if this works. All right, guys, so far this is how we're looking. I'm gonna put this dead smack in the middle and see how that goes, just to let you know. Decals. Let's go ahead and put this in the middle, see how it looks. All right, as you guys can see, working on the A5 engine head. Everything is coming where it needs to go. Always work in progress, right? All right, guys. From the top, you can kind of see right now we got the yellow RS5. I changed it from red to yellow. Just went ahead and used some vinyl for that. But as you can see, it's now yellow. I think it gives it a cooler look, right? This might be a good screenshot. All right, so guys, if you come to the right, all right, I don't know, guys. I think this really brought it out. I think this really brought it out, the yellow. I think the yellow really brought it out. For you guys, look at that, guys. Boom, clean that up real good around the brakes. Can't tell me that don't look like it's an OEM job. And guys, if you look at the back, I went ahead and made the RS5 badge yellow in the back as well. Right there, so you can see